ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. Kamon ban long slur, ringkat bat kaman ba Shongkhia. Kasyong ha ka jinglong scam, bat jingjit bastard jongi. Ka Tata Harrier, ka kali ka bansan ya ka lintiya jongpi, kala banong ka jongpi minta. Book ya ka Tata Harrier ha Frank Motors, lat korngi, leni phone hau number hinyo not sausan ar, not hinyo kanda hinyo lai. Ka Omni Winter Beach Festival, haka khat ar bat khat lai 3 January ar hajar ar pusau, hadangar balat East Khasi Hills District.
Hagasin wan yu kejat ke Banungkong Syaga Jella. Dr. A. Chella Kumar ubadai in charge jongga Kongres ya ka Meghalaya. Haga jingya kendo bat ki Nongïalam bahakli jongga Sen Kongres. Ulas ngap ya ka jing penpau baki longgi bakloi ban yakit ya ba ya ka lengkor bala bensyet da ka AICC. Habaya keren bat kilat patai kubor, Dr. A. Chella Kumar ula ong ba barok ki Nongïalam ka Kongres. Kidap da ka jing kemen harengkat ka jing kermen ba ka Kongres kala ban keni biang no yau la kam sensyar hapok ka Jella Meghalaya. Shushu ula pentip bagi la Kular ban ya Trei langkum kawai ka kenho na ka benta ka jing baha jong ka Kongres halor ka jing penkre ya ka MP election ka ban Salong Shen.
Our sitting member of parliament, the PCC president, he has done a lot for this state as a member of parliament. Earlier, from Tura to Shillong, people have to go via Guwahati, then only they can come to Shillong. But today, because of Mr. Vincent Balaji's effort and the Congress government's contribution, today you are seeing a good highway. People of Meghalaya, they have saved money, they have saved time, and more development works, the areas is getting developed, all because of the highway. So it is initiated by Vincent Balaji. Like that, many things he has brought to the constituency and the state of Meghalaya. And Congress party also, we the Congress party has established the Northeastern Hill University, Nahur. We have established the IAM. We have established the NIT, NIFT. Like that, all the developmental work, it is done by the Congress party. It may be our failure in properly convincing the public. I don't say that it's our failure because people have voted for the Congress party. People are aware, well aware. But people, after getting elected from the Congress, they ditched the public verdict. They backstabbed the public. So again, we will definitely, we are in a better position to convince the people, and 100% we will win the both parliament seat. We are in the process of fulfilling all the party positions, right from the booth committee to the PCCs. There are 1 or 2 DCC presidents who are not there. That all will be immediately we will appoint them, and we will try to fill up all the organizational positions, whether it is an NSY, Youth Congress, Mahila Congress, or the Kisan Cell, or the SC/ST cell, whatever, all the departments, cells, all we will strengthen it, we will regenerate everything. First of all, we are trying to strengthen our base first. And those who wants to come back to Congress, yes, it is a welcome move, but in that also there should be, certain things are there that I cannot reveal now because some people have backstabbed the Congress party also. And see, if someone is having a faith with the ideology of the Congress party, they are most welcome to the Congress party. If someone is expecting something, then it is very difficult for us to fulfill their greediness. So we will look into each and every person's the same, and according to that we will consider the rest of the things. Meghalaya has always stood with the Congress party. Those who were in Congress, after enjoying the verdict of the people in favor of the Congress, they only have hijacked the Congress party and their victory, and they have taken away. So, but always people wants the Congress to be there. People stood with the Congress. So when our Congress leaders, workers, when they interact with the people, people are telling that they want the Congress back. So the mood of the people is also the same. The reason by-election in by state elections, though Congress lost the Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, but the reason by-election itself in Rajasthan, within a month time, not even a month, a minister of the BJP government, he lost to Congress candidate. So this is the real verdict. This is the mood of the people in Rajasthan. Anybody can understand. A minister, sitting minister, within a month time, losing the by-election means, so that is the real mood of the people of the Rajasthan. People want the Congress. People have not voted against the Congress, or they have not voted in favor of the same BJP. They have shown their anger on the BJP in this by-election itself. They have mismanaged, misused the election machineries, and they have hijacked the victory. That's all. So definitely in 2024 Parliament election, Congress will, the India bloc will definitely, we will form the government. See, men may come, men may go, but Congress party always stand with the public. We have seen many elections. Congress lost in many states, but again in the next election or after 10 years, Congress would have rebounded it back with a full Tamil majority. Now in Telangana, we gave the statehood, but BRS Chandrasekhar Rao misguided the Congress party also, and finally he has taken the credit for all these things. He ruled the state for 10 years, but people today, they throw him out. So like that, now in the Rajasthan we are seeing, after forming a government, within a month, the ruling minister is losing the election. The government should resign. If they have any ethics in politics, any morality in politics, the chief minister should submit his resignation immediate. Because people are not in favor of the BJP. So how can anybody say Congress is a sinking ship? Congress is always a phoenix bird. It will come back. Are saying Congress is a sinking ship. When the Congress come back to power, they will be in the queue to join back the Congress. I will give it in writing today. We, the Congress party, always raise the issues. Now I can say, more than so many lakhs of the people died because of the corona. It is who was first given the alarm. It is Rahul Gandhi, first man on February 2020 itself. Yes, when he spoke in the parliament, and when he explained about the dangers of the COVID, even BJP leaders, ministers, they made fun of him. They mentioned about what Rahul Gandhi knows about the COVID. Nothing going to happen. He is only misleading the people. But finally, what has happened? More than 45 lakhs people, our brothers and sisters, we lost. the economy became in the doldrum. So it is always the Congress party. With the foresight, we have always warned the government. And even now, recently, 146 MPs were suspended. For what? Because when we raised the issue of security of this country, we were thrown out. Like that. Who has brought an allegation against the Adanis? Everything, all the allegations, we only brought it to the Assembly, Parliament. Congress party has brought it to the Parliament. But they are not allowing us to speak. Prime Minister in this 10 years almost, going to complete with 10 years, did he ever address a media press conference? He only knows how to speak. But he don't know how to give an answer to a question. He never, in the last 10 years of time, tenure, not even one press conference with an open house. And they are charging the Congress party that Congress is not performing well in the floor of the Parliament. You are not allowing us to raise our voices. You are not ready to give an answer in the Parliament. As a Prime Minister, how many days he has attended the Parliament? Look into that. He will come only to give a speech. He will not listen to the voices of the opposition. So even recently also we have asked the Home Minister to give an answer, reply for the security, even if the security is not there for the parliamentarians. What can we expect from the BJP government about the security of the nation?